Men's health, the silent health crisis, is the subject of a community discussion and call to action. The Men's Health First Symposium is happening next week in the city of Flint. Joining us now is the founder and president of Men's Health First, LLC, Dwayne Parker. And Dwayne, thanks so much for joining us today for First at Four Focus.
Thanks for having me, Dawn.
Yes. Before we get to this very important symposium coming up next week, we want to provide a little perspective here.
Sure.
And, you know, for you, this mission is personal.
Yes, it is.
So tell us about your journey that began back in 2017.
So I will give you the short version.
Yes.
In 2017, I was diagnosed with cardiomyopathy and heart failure. I then received a pacemaker. In 2018, I received a defibrillator. And in 2019, I received an LVAD, which is called a left ventricular assistance device. In short, a heart pump. And in 2020, I received a heart transplant. And by the grace of God, I'm here talking with you today.
So you are a heart transplant survivor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and was that always the goal when the diagnosis in 2017, or did doctors think that these other, you know, like your defibrillator and the other things that they used would help with the problem?
So actually, early on, I knew in 2018 where my cardiologist and I received all of my heart care from the Cleveland Clinic in Cleveland, Ohio. And my cardiologist informed me, at some point, Mr. Parker, you will be needing a new heart. We don't know when, we don't know where, but at some point in time, you're going to need this. And in the meantime, these are the things that we can do to sustain you and keep you here with us.
Until that such time
Yes.
happens. Yeah. So the male life expectancy here in Genesee County, I was doing some reading, is just over 74, just under 74 years, 73.9, I believe it is. And it's among the lowest in the counties in the state of Michigan. And you're hoping to change that through education. Tell us about this symposium coming up on July 29th.
So yes, it's spotlighting men's health issues and solutions. We call it the silent health crisis, which is nothing more than men's health. What we have coming on the 29th is a star-studded panel, some of which are here locally. Dr. Bobby McCullough, who is also a men's health advocate and a recovering patient as well, practicing physician here in the city of Flint. We have a Tarnisha Martin, who is a nurse at Hurley Medical Center, yes, and she's a patient and community advocate for Hurley Medical Center. And we have two other nationally known, well-respected healthcare professionals and experts, and they're going to be talking, having a robust discussion about heart issues, pancreatitis issues, kidney issues, all these sorts of men's health issues that we are affected by at this point in time.
And is it free for men or to attend, and can women attend?
The event is totally free. We ask that you register through the QR code that's attached to the flyer, and it also can be identified at on our website as well. But it's totally free, and yes, men and women are welcome. It's geared towards that healthcare professional, that behavioral health professional, that community civic leader, and also that faith-based leader that we are hoping to start this discussion and sort of a call to action regarding the issues surrounding men's health.
The silent crisis.
The silent crisis.
Yeah,
and it doesn't have to be that way.
Yeah, and you also have a message about the numbers. So tell us about the numbers everyone should know and what your message is.
So my message to men today is know your numbers. And those are very simple numbers. I'm a big proponent of early detection and medical maintenance, supervision, and medication. That could save your life, actually. And knowing your numbers can really get you to that point. Those numbers are simple. Your blood pressure, your cholesterol, and your BMI, your body mass index,
Yes.
how much weight you're carrying, and so on. Knowing those numbers and knowing if they're in an average range or above that range, over the range, that means something's going on physically. You may not feel it, you may not see it exactly, and in most cases you'll see the BMI piece because it's the body weight,
It's
the
physical.
body gain,
Yeah,
it's
you know,
physical.
yeah, you can
but
see
for
it.
the others, you might not be able to detect it until it's too late. And so knowing your numbers can really put you on the path of prevention and early detection and lead you to a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah, no, it's amazing how this transplant has led you to your purpose with
Yes.
Men's Health First. And thank you, Dwayne, for coming in and sharing your journey with us and also sharing this information about the symposium that's coming up. What is that website?
That website is menshealth.org, menshealthfirst.org, excuse me, menshealthfirst.org. And you go on that website and you can pull up the flyer and you'll see the QR code for registration.
All right, Dwayne Parker, he is the president and founder of Men's Health First. Again, the Men's Health First Symposium is coming up next Tuesday on July 29th. It's from 9 until 11 at the Flint Institute of Arts on Kersley Street in Flint. And you still have time to register at the website, which is menshealthfirst.com.
Thank you, Dawn.
Thank you.